The Tech Fixr will show you how to create guest and local accounts in Windows 10. So if you want to create a guest account, follow these simple steps. Click on the Start menu, Settings, click on Accounts, select Family and Other Users, and here you will find these Other Users sections. You have to click on Add Someone Else to this PC. And I'm selecting I don't have this person's sign-in information. And now you can create a brand new Microsoft account for the new user using phone number, email address. But right now I'll create a user without a Microsoft account. Now give here the username. And to secure the user account, enter a strong password. Re-enter the password. And here, select a security question. Select second security question. Select third security question. Click on Next. And as you can see, I've successfully created a guest account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.